Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over how to implement the free proposal template I gave away to Travefy users. This Travefy proposal template is absolutely incredible and it covers all of your bases to make sure that you never miss a beat or miss important information for your clients. Now, the people who have already copied this to their account did get a full walkthrough of how exactly to use the template. So today I'm going to demo exactly how it would work in practice. Let's go ahead and dive right on in. So as stated in the demo, you will use this within the trips folder and you will copy it into a new or existing trip whenever you need it. Today, I will be copying it to a new trip and we are going to make up a new trip together. So let's go ahead and do Alaska cruise, August of 2026. I know a lot of people questioned if this proposal template can be used for cruises, and the answer is yes. I have used this for cruises, and it is just as easy, if not easier, for cruises than it is for land vacations. So I always do the video walkthrough last. I am not an Alaska specialist, so I will take out this part. However, if you are an Alaska specialist or have some sort of certification you would like to show off, make sure to add that image here. I am going to skip the preferences recap for now, but what you would do, I'm going to take out most of this, but you would put in here, you are going to love this Alaska cruise on Holland America because XYZ to ABC. You're just going to love it. It's going to be perfect. The next would be the destination information. So it is a cruise. Let's say we are going to have multiple stops. So I'm going to go ahead and add Juneau. And with cruises, we have multiple stops. So let's add in another information section. And let's do, I wonder if they've this one. Perfect. Now, I know it can become overwhelming with so many, so if you think your clients will get overwhelmed with this, I would drag the city guides down to the bottom, but it is completely up to you and what you think your clients are going to see best. I do like keeping them at the top unless I have several destinations, because in that case, most people are still looking at it on mobile where they're seeing one section at a time. I did choose Holland America Line for this, so Holland America Line information is what I will do next. I do already have theirs built out in my library, so this does highlight the benefits of having your library really built out. And then I believe I have the Eurodam in my information as well in my library, so let's do the Eurodam. And now look how detailed and thorough this proposal already is. This is impressive, and we've been working for barely any time. So next we're going to import a cruise. I cannot think of any off the top of my head. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll find one. So these dates may not make sense. I'm just going to pull in a random Holland America cruise. Perfect. So we'll just go ahead. I do not want to put in the ship information since I already put in the Eurodam information from my library, since in our fake trip that's what's being used. I'm going to go ahead and skip that. I'm just going to import the cruise schedule. So now you can see that we have all of the information we need. I'm going to delete this. We have the ship information, the cruise line information, the cruise schedule, and now we're down to entry information. If your clients need a passport, if they need a visa, this is where you need to highlight that information. I am going to say they don't need anything for this, or I'm just going to skip it for now for this demo. If you are watching this and you are not a US advisor, you can still take out this blurb and you can say for Australian passport holders and link your government website. Now, the travel insurance section should already be good to go because in theory, you already edited that whenever you did the proposal, whenever we demoed it the first time. Next, we would just add in the inclusions. So here we're going to say fare, room with patio, spa day, excursion in Juneau. And what is not included are going to be personal expenses, gratuities. And at this point, we are almost ready to send this to the clients. We just have to get everything together as far as pricing, outline that for them, and make sure that the terms and conditions are in here. So I don't know if I have Holland America built in. We will see. And I do not. But we'll put FunJet. Let's just, in our dreams, act like we're booking Holland America on FunJet. And so let's go ahead and put in our decision date. We're going to say they need to decide by tomorrow. And if they need to request edits, send me an email. So this is just easy peasy and make sure you cover all of the bases again every single time. Now this is where the fun part starts. This is where you are going to record the video walkthrough for your proposal and for your clients. There are a few options to record your video proposal. Loom is a popular option. However, I think Komodo is better because it also does guides and it can be cheaper. So if you are okay with not having a talking head, you can use the built-in screen recorder on your computer. For Windows, it will be your snipping tool, and on Mac, there's a keyboard shortcut. It is Shift Command 4, if I can think off of the top of my head. You are ready to record the video walkthrough for your clients. You are going to press the preview button, and you are going to have your talking head over here, or here, or you'll just be using the screen recorder as discussed. You will walk through how to click these buttons so they don't have to scroll forever, so they can jump through. You are going to discuss why this vacation is going to be the best one ever and why this cruise is the perfect fit. And at the very bottom, you are going to walk through all of the nitty-gritty, all of the important information. Once you are done with that video walkthrough, you will upload it to YouTube as an unlisted video. An unlisted video means that it is there and people can only see it if they have the link. So now that you have the link to the unlisted YouTube video, what you are going to do is go into the video walkthrough section of the proposal. There is some red text which you will delete at the bottom, and then you will click on Add Media. Here is where you will add the video, and you will paste the URL for the YouTube video here. And once it's in the Travefy proposal, it is embedded directly in here so your clients don't have to leave to see what's going on. Once that video walkthrough is good, just do one more quick scroll, make sure you did not miss any details. And here you are, ready to send this off to your clients with that beautiful share button. Send that first and best, get excited, and send that off to your people. Cross your fingers, I believe in you. And if you have any questions about this proposal process or how to implement this in your business, make sure to drop it in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if you have been considering an investment in Travefy, check out the link in the caption. It will give you a discount on your subscription. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm not sure what I'm going to cover quite yet, but it will be something good. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video.